The wind was the dominant feature over Fiji today as trade winds strengthened over the country in response to the deepening tropical cyclone Amos located to the far north of Fiji. Currently, Tropical Cyclone Amos is a Category 1 cyclone but is forecast to strengthen to Category 2 by tomorrow morning as it starts to drift eastwards towards Samoa. This system is not expected to have any significant influence on the weather of Fiji other than to maintain fresh to strong trade winds across the country. Scattered showers continues across the Maritime Island region and along the windward coast of the larger islands in the fresh trade wind flow. 17 mm at Lambasa and 16 mm at Matei on Tavuni were the only significant falls for the 24 hours to 9 am this morning. The cloud associated with TD17D is evident over waters between Fiji and Samoa, while cloud associated with the SPCZ extends from the depression east across Samoa to the northern Cook Islands. West of the dateline, the islands of Melanesia remain mostly clear and dry, with just isolated convective clouds around southeastern Papua New Guinea. Fresh to strong southeasterly trade winds persist across Fiji as high pressure to the south remains strong, pushing a high pressure ridge over Fiji. The trade winds are likely to stay fresh over the coming weekend also. Staying dry and mostly sunny over the west with moderate trade winds and fresh sea breezes, humidity remaining comfortable but it will be warm during the day. No rain in sight for the rest of the week. A mix of sun and clouds again tomorrow for the north with isolated light showers about the southern coast, staying fine with a mix of sun and clouds over the Madhuwata coast. Fresh trade winds and local sea breezes. For the central and eastern divisions, cloudy at times with a few brief passing showers, but long fine spells also with sunny intervals. Moderate to fresh southeasterly winds and local sea breezes. A strong wind warning is current for all Fiji coastal waters, fresh to strong southeasterly winds with local inshore sea breezes, moderate to rough seas with moderate southeast swells. As TC Amos moves away to the east, we can expect the pressure gradient to open up a little, allowing winds to ease and showers to clear, leaving us with a quite nice weekend for a change with mostly sunny skies across the country. Our Polynesian neighbours in Samoa have a less pleasant weekend ahead of them as TC Amos moves closer and passes to the south on Sunday. Damaging storm force winds gusting to 150 km per hour can be expected along with periods of heavy rain and flash flooding. Weather is expected to deteriorate over Samoa ahead of the cyclone starting from tonight. As always, tune in again tomorrow evening for another weather update. Until then, there is always more information available about weather around Fiji and beyond our shows on our Facebook page, along with details of how to subscribe to our various services. From the MyTV and NaDraki team, we wish all a safe and pleasant evening.